Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and talk about your options at the end of your lease. So at the end of a lease, there's basically three things you can do. Hand the keys back and move on with life. Buy the vehicle out if you like it and want to keep it, or trade it in. Now, if you've leased a vehicle in the last couple years and you're coming towards the end of it, chances are you're in a phenomenal position because that lease was predicated upon a certain amount of depreciation the manufacturer expected to occur. So as you make payments, you get closer to your residual value, which was determined at the beginning. Now, chances are, if your car is in solid shape, that it is worth more than whatever that residual is. And as you make payments, like this doesn't only apply to your vehicle at the end of the lease. As you make payments, you get closer to that residual value and you have a payoff at any given moment in your lease. So, for example, you have a few months left in your lease, but want to switch it up sooner, you can come in, your car is worth X, your payoff is Y, and chances are, with the market the way it is, you're going to have a little bit of equity. And also, if your lease is due sometime before the end of the year and you're considering buying it out, I would encourage doing that sooner than later as rates climb. And again, you can do that before your lease is necessarily over. So there's actually a lot of options you have. And again, if you've leased a vehicle in the last few years, chances are you're in a great position. My job is to encourage you to trade it in so we can sell a car if it makes sense. But the likelihood of it making sense is really greater than it ever has been. And you can just pull out that equity, get into something else, and it will help reduce your payment on the next car. So if this is something you'd like to explore, if you have a current lease, you have any questions about it, just shoot us a call or stop by today.